Welcome back, everyone. Here in this video, we'll look into the attendance report. This is for a subject attendance. This is not for a class attendance. Well, so here in top menu, we have something called attendance report. And this is a attendance report details page where I have four tabs. Let's look at each and every one after another. So there's the first tab is graph, where I see the graph, and there are a couple of type of graphs available. So here, this is a graph where I see the class which has the most number of the students who have less than 75% attendance. So this is a poor class and this is the best class. Okay, so if I click here, I will see the batch details and everything. The below required attendance rate is 88%, means there are many students who have less than 75% attendance. Now let's go to the class average attendance. Yes, so average attendance of the particular class. So this is a really good class, and this is the not good class compared to the others. So if I clicked here in this class and clicked here, I will see the subjects, the attendance for each subject, and consolidated attendance of each subjects will call a average subject of the class. So this is the first data which could help you to measure your performance across your institutes. Now the second is very good, the class wise monthly average attendance. So this is the button. Okay, and right hand side, just click there, and here we'll get a table which will. Yes, so this is a table, class wise monthly average attendance. Here, if you can see, my academic started at month of August, and initially for this batch A, I have 68%, 68.5 percent average attendance, and little almost stable, but here in October it's a little less. Okay, and similarly here 100%, then 71%, then 58%. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. So this is a really very important tool which give me the current state of the progress, the interest, and how we are moving forward for each month. So that's a class wise monthly average attendance. Let's go to the second tab, that is detail tab. Here I can see the students average student attendance. Average means consolidated attendance for a particular all subject of particular class. So below 75%, below 50%, 65%, let's say below 50%, and I will get the list of the students who have below 55% attendance, average attendance across the class. But let's say I want to go and I want to look very specific for the subjects, then I can select this tab. Can you see this average and subject? So let me click on subject here. Okay, and now I will see the attendance for each subject. Okay, so now let's say illustrations kids. There are three students who have below 50% attendance. That's 42.9. Okay, and now let me be very specific with the particular subject and just a search. I will get the list of students who have below 50% attendance for this class and this subjects. So now what I can do, as per this record, I can just select send notification, and system will send notification to all these six students. Again, if I click here on send notification, the attendance below 50% warning. This is a warning to you that your attendance is below blah 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 blah. The default message is there. I can always go and change my message and send notifications. When I clicked here and send notification, this will send notification to all the students. Yeah, so basically it will send the notification to all six students, but it will send the email and FCM notifications, basically mobile app notifications as well. So they get reminder or notification on their mobile app as well. But however, let's say I just want to I don't want to target this two students. Looks like they have not joined the class. So I just wanted to send notification to only these two students. Okay, so I just select two students and select on send notifications, and I can send the notifications. So if I don't select and I click on send notifications, all the students which is there filtered in my table, the system will send notifications. But if I select students from this first column, I can send the notification to selected students, and I can put my custom message. Okay, again, repeat here. This is a toggle button to toggle between the average and the subject. Okay, This is a drop down which will filter out. I think we should start from here. This is a drop down which give you below 50, 65, 75, 85, and so on and so forth. Then average and subject. Further, average and subject means all the students. Further to filter down, I can select my class, I can select my subjects, and just click on subject. In terms of average, just select the class and just click on search, and I can see only two students who are below 50% in this batch. This is a really good batch. Okay, so that's a detail page. Now let's go to the, okay, yeah, here there's a Excel icon, so we can download Excel report as well. This entire report has been downloaded in Excel as well with the date range. We can select the date range, just click here and you can supply a date range and you can download the entire report. Well, let's go to the third tab, the summary tab. Here in summary, we can see the number of students below 75% attendance. I can see the number of students. So this is a really bad class and this is a comparatively good class. Now go to the particular uh, class. Let's say mm, let's any one batch. Let's say ID second year batch A. This CAD 3 subject is the poorest subjects. 54 number of students, 54 students who have below required attendance, then compared to this interior uh, service system. This is a better subject than CAT 3, CAT 2, because the same students who are having a poor attendance in this class, but better attendance in this this subject, and better attendance in this subject. So this is a better subject. Yeah. So this is a basically summary which will be very helpful to us. Now, fourth tab, overlook attendance. Overlook attendance means that teachers who have a report where we can see who are those teachers who have not yet taken the attendance, who have not completed the attendance. So let's look at the first things. Sweta More, she has 8 lectures according to the timetable. Okay, and she has taken attendance in a 5 lecture and not taken attendance in 3 lectures. So 25th August, 8th September, and 3rd November. So the 3 lectures she has not taken attendance. It could possible that this lecture has been cancelled. So in that case, you need to submit a cancellation request, and timetable admin should delete this lectures. Okay, yeah. So this is the way. Extra attendance. Let's see. Yeah, this Mr. Akhilesh Kumar has total 10 lectures allocated in timetable. Out of the 12, uh, he has taken attendance in 8 lectures and 2 is overlooked. So he's taken attendance in 8 lectures, 2 is overlooked, and he's taken a 4 extra lectures as well. Over and above the timetable, he's taken a 4 extra lectures. So therefore, total attendance taken is 12. Don't get confused in these numbers. Let me repeat. So Achilles Kumar has the 10 lecture has been allocated to him as per the timetable, and he has out of the 10 lectures he has taken attendance for the 8 lectures, and therefore the 2 is overlooked, and the 2 overlooked details is here. Okay, and there's a 4 extra lectures over and above the timetable. He has taken a 4 extra lectures, so 8 plus 4, that is a 12. He has taken attendance in a 12 lectures. Out of the 12, the 10 are scheduled. Okay, and sorry, 8 are scheduled, 2 is pending, the 4 is extra. Okay, so this is the way we should read this report. Overlook attendance, we can search based on the faculty members, we can use these filters to get the right targeted teachers and the faculty members or the class and subjects. That's the way this entire report works. We hope this report will help you to get your insight of daily attendance. In case if you have any further question, query, suggestions, feel free to reach us at support@educloud.in or your respective support engineers. Thank you. Bye.